Welcome back to our channel. Security forces in joint operation today killed 5 terrorists in district Shopian of Jammu Kashmir. 5 terrorists have been eliminated in Operation Riban in Shopian, defense spokesperson Colonel Rajesh Kalia said. He said, good drills by forces ensured that the operation involved no collateral damage. A police official said security forces had launched a cordon and search operation in the Riban area of district Shopian in southern Kashmir this morning after receiving specific information about presence of terrorists in this area. He said the search operation had turned into encounter after civilians were evacuated from the area, but the terrorists fired at the search party, to which the forces retaliated. The security forces had asked the terrorists to lay down their weapons and surrender. The terrorists, however, fired at the forces. The forces killed them in retaliatory firing. Their bodies were retrieved from the site of the encounter later. Colonel Kalia said, in case any family claims the killed terrorists to be their kith or kin, they can come forward for their identification. Hizbul Mujahideen commander Farooq Asad Nali and foreign nationals are among the terrorists killed. The forces found a large number of arms and ammunition at the terrorist den. The operation, the security forces said, is now over. DGP Dilbagh Singh confirmed the success of the exercise that had started early in the morning. It was a clean kind of operation, he said. It lasted about 12 hours, where the security forces suffered no casualty at all. Last month, forces have killed 2 terrorists in an encounter in district Kulgam of Jammu Kashmir. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe. And not just subscribe, ring the bell so that you don't miss any video from our channel.